I am going to show you guys how to add a level to your game. It's a little bit more complicated than I thought, so I wanted to show you how to do it. So the first thing is here is my chase game that I created a couple days ago. What we need to do is create messages. So the first thing we need to do is have our main sprite clicked, and mine is the cat. Then you need to click in Control, which is this menu right here, and you need what's called the conditional. So you already have one here. So if the cat is touching a banana, then this happens. So we need another if then block. So I'm going to put that right into underneath the other one. And now we need to fill in this little hole right here. So you need to click on the green operators. Now we have not used one of these before, and I'm going to choose this operation right here. Now, if you notice, there's an empty spot right here. So we need to fill that. We're going to go to our variables and we're going to choose score. So if the score is greater than 50, then this is going to happen. But I'm going to change this to only 5 because I don't need to wait until my guy has 50 points. The next thing we need to do is put what happens if the score goes above 50, and that's where the messages come in. So we're going to go back to messages. Okay, so this is under events. So I'm going to click on, nope, not that one, just kidding. This one, broadcast. And what you're going to have to do is click new message, and you're going to have to label it level 2. So if you were if you were having multiple levels, each message would get a new level name. So I'm going to name it level 2, and I'm going to put that in here. So if the score goes above 5, then we're going to broadcast level 2. Now that doesn't make much sense yet because we haven't said what's going to happen when the level changes. That's what comes next. What I'm going to do is I'm going to have my backdrop switch when they hit a new level. So I'm going to click on backdrops. The first thing I have to do is make sure that the original backdrop is there, backdrop 1. No, not backdrop 1. Backdrop bench with a view. So when it's clicked, this is the backdrop that comes up. Then I have to say, so when I get to above 5 points, I want the backdrop to switch. So I'm going to go back and get when I receive level 2, it'll say new message. So you're going to have to make sure it says level 2 on this. I want the backdrop to switch, not that one, this one. Switch to basketball. So what'll happen then in theory, let's see if it works. When I play the game, when it gets to 5, the backdrop switches. And that is how you change the level. Oh my gosh, that meowing. So the other thing you can switch is you can switch the sprites. You can have a sprite say something. You can switch the item that they collect. There's lots of things that you can switch. It does not have to be the backdrop. So what I want you guys to do now is go into your project and change your level.